Today, we're unboxing the Bosch Ergomix MSM 66120, and later on, we're going to make a quick milkshake with it. Stay tuned. Really sturdy packaging here. Let's start by taking out the motor base first. I'll carefully remove it from the box to give you a good look at its design and build quality. Okay, here's the motor base. Nice and sleek, compact, feels really solid right as you take it out. You can use the turbo button for extra power. You can choose from 12 speeds, suitable for various recipes. The blade seems sharp and effective, potentially making it easier to handle a variety of ingredients from soft fruits to tougher vegetables. And here, secured in the packing, is the blending plastic jar. The plastic feels of good quality. Additionally, it has measurement markings for precise portioning and a secure lid to prevent spills. Next, open the packing and see what's inside. It's the chopper. Twist to open it. Inside, the blades feel sturdy, and it comes with a plastic lid. Now let's take a look at the chopper lid. It fits securely on the chopper container, keeping everything in place and preventing any spills. Next, connect the motor base to the chopper lid. It locks in smoothly and stays secure. A manual and warranty are also included in the box. Let's test the banana shake with the blender. We'll start by adding 2 ripe bananas into the blender jug. Throw in wafer biscuits to taste for a little crunch. For some natural sweetness, let's add some honey. Then we'll pour in milk to our liking. Finally, we'll blend everything together by setting the blender to speed 5. It blends really smoothly. Let's add some more milk and blend it again. Now let's pour it into a glass. Garnish with some banana slices and honey. The performance and quality of both the chopper and blender are good. The connection points are made of plastic, so there is a risk of them slipping or breaking. I think we should avoid using anything too hard in the chopper or blender. Overall, it's a good product. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Let us know in the comments what recipes you would like to see next. Have a wonderful day.